Hello students, and welcome to nightzookeeper.com. You're all about to become new Night Zookeepers. In this role, it's your job to protect the Night Zoo and defeat the monsters of North by completing as many lessons as you can and writing as much as you can. The more lessons you complete and the more words you write, the more awards you can collect. The more monsters you can battle and the bigger your zoo can grow. First, you'll need to create your Night Zookeeper avatar, and then your own magical animal to live in the Night Zoo. Oh, and you'll also be able to collect animals created by your friends. The animals will start to give you lots and lots of different challenges to complete. The more different types of writing you complete, the more awards you'll get. From story writing awards to 1,000-word awards. Collecting awards gives you orbs, a way to power up your animals, making them stronger when it comes time to fight the monsters. You'll also get special lessons from your teacher in the My Lessons area. Make sure you complete these to get even more orbs. You can also try our Star Writing Challenge each month, alongside other children from other schools. Each challenge has a unique topic for you to use your creativity and write amazing pieces about. The winners can win real-world prizes from the Night Zoo. Remember, your teacher will be checking all your work as you go along, so always try to produce the best quality you can, and it may even get featured in the Night Times, a collection of the best work from students around the world. You'll be able to see all the work your classmates produce in the class blog. Why not leave some good feedback for other students to help them become better writers? And you'll also get a commenter award. In your profile, you'll find a collection of all of the writing and drawing you produce on nightzookeeper.com to share with your teacher and family. You can go back and edit your work anytime to improve your writing. On nightzookeeper.com, you'll need all your creativity, writing ability, and dedication throughout the year to become the ultimate Night Zookeeper. So what are you waiting for? Let's enter the Night Zoo!